I learn ABC A to Z. Let's start. A. A is for apple. B. B for banana. C. C for cake. D. D for dolphin. E. E for egg. F. F for flag. G. G for ghost. H. H for hat. I for insect. J. J for jelly. K. K for kite. L. L for lamb. M. M for monkey. N. N for nose. O. O for orange. P. P for pig. Q. Q for queen. R. R for rain. S. S for sun. T. T for tiger. U. U for umbrella. V. V for vase. W. W for water. X. X for xylophone. Y. Y for yak. And last alphabet Z. Z for zebra. Let's repeat learn. Please subscribe me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. I meet you next video. See you. Bye.